Welcome back MH Car Review, and today we are looking at something that is genuinely unlike anything you have ever seen on four wheels before. This is the 2026 Audi Luxury Double-Decker Motorhome concept, a machine that completely blurs the line between a five-star hotel and a high-performance vehicle. Whether you call it a motorhome, a rolling mansion, or simply the future of automotive luxury, one thing is absolutely certain: Audi has changed the game entirely with this one. So let us get into every single detail, from the outside to the inside, from the performance numbers to the price tag, because this vehicle deserves the full breakdown. Starting from the outside, the first thing that hits you is the sheer presence of this machine. This is not a motorhome that tries to look good. This is a motorhome that demands attention the moment it enters your field of vision. The body is finished in a premium pearl white matte that almost seems to glow under light, and the proportions are absolutely massive yet somehow still feel aerodynamic and sculpted. Audi's design team has taken their signature sharp line philosophy and stretched it across an entirely new format. You get that iconic Audi single-frame grille up front, reimagined here in a massive honeycomb mesh layout flanked by ultra-slim adaptive LED headlights with an orange daytime running light signature that you can spot from a kilometer away. The front splitter is wide and aggressive, giving this giant vehicle a surprisingly athletic and ground-hugging appearance. Moving along the side, you immediately notice the two-floor structure and that stunning exterior staircase, an architectural feature running diagonally from ground level up to the second floor, with brushed aluminum steps and integrated LED lighting on every tread. The panoramic windows wrap around both the lower and upper floors, framed in gloss black, giving you a glimpse of the premium interior even from outside. The lower body panels feature deep sculpted character lines that manage airflow around the dual rear axles. Speaking of those axles, this vehicle rides on 6 wheels total, with oversized matte black multi-spoke forged alloy rims wrapped in ultra-low profile performance tires that look more at home on an Audi RS sports car than on something this large. At the rear, the full-width LED tail light bar wraps cleanly across the back, and above it sits the open-air rooftop terrace complete with smoked glass railings. The overall exterior design is bold, futuristic, and unmistakably Audi. Now step inside, and this is where things become truly extraordinary. The lower floor opens into a full living space that feels more like a luxury penthouse apartment than anything you would associate with a vehicle. The material choices throughout are world-class dark walnut wood paneling, quilted leather on every surface, backlit quartz countertops in the kitchen, and polished marble flooring that flows seamlessly from the entrance through to the rear of the cabin. The kitchen is a fully equipped chef-grade setup with an induction cooktop, integrated stainless steel appliances, under-cabinet LED lighting, and deep undermount sinks finished with brushed gold fixtures. The living area features a large flush-mounted television, smart home integrated controls, and ambient lighting that adjusts automatically based on time of day. Climb up that interior staircase to the second floor and you reach the master suite, a full king-size bedroom with a floating platform bed, deep velvet headboard, motorized blackout blinds, and panoramic windows on 3 sides so you wake up to an uninterrupted view of wherever you happen to be parked. The bathroom is a full en suite with a frameless glass rainfall shower, heated marble tiling, a floating vanity unit, and a frameless LED mirror. Audi has also integrated a rooftop terrace accessible from the upper floor, an open-air deck with glass balustrades and embedded deck lighting, perfect for evening use outdoors. The driver's cockpit deserves its own conversation. It is unlike anything in any production motorhome today. You get a curved ultra-wide digital instrument cluster, Audi's MMI Pro infotainment system on dual touchscreens, a heads-up display projected across the full width of the windshield, and an Alcantara-wrapped flat-bottom steering wheel with integrated touch controls. The driver's seat offers heating, cooling, and a full massage function with adjustable bolstering. Every surface around the cockpit is trimmed in carbon fiber and brushed aluminum, and the ambient lighting system wraps around the entire dashboard in a soft configurable glow. On the performance side, Audi has engineered this vehicle on a custom heavy-duty chassis platform with fully adaptive air suspension that adjusts ride height and stiffness dynamically depending on road conditions and load. The powertrain is a hybrid setup, a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 petrol engine paired with dual electric motors producing a combined system output in the region of 900 horsepower. Audi claims a 0 to 100 km/h time of just 4.8 seconds, which for a vehicle of this scale is almost incomprehensible. Top speed is electronically limited to 180 km/h, and the onboard energy systems for all the interior electronics and climate systems are powered by a dedicated high-capacity lithium battery array that can be charged through solar panels integrated into the roof panels. Now for the number everyone wants to know: the price. The 2026 Audi Luxury Double-Decker Motorhome is expected to carry a starting price of approximately $3.2 million, with fully loaded configurations pushing well above $4 million depending on bespoke options, custom liveries, and interior finishes. Production is expected to be strictly limited to under 50 units globally per year, making this one of the most exclusive vehicles money can buy. This is not just a motorhome. This is Audi redefining what luxury mobility even means in 2026, and honestly, we are here for every single bit of it. If you enjoyed this review, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to MH Car Review, and drop a comment below telling us what you think about this incredible machine. We will see you in the next one.